Hey guys, what's going on? This is Oleg with Bellevue Comments. Good to see you guys again. And what a wild market right now. Today is March 15 and I decided to record this my March market update for Seattle Eastside. But before we jump to market update and I'll show you your favorite numbers, I want to tell you guys what's happened in those couple of weeks and how wild is the market right now. So stock market started crashing in March 4, and like first week of the March they go down a lot, and coronavirus make a huge impact on the stock market, and a lot of was negative and bad news on TV. And as of March 12, stock market hit bottom line when we see last time this was Black Friday in 1987, but in next day March 13, it's rebounds 2,000 points and everything else back to normal life. So it was a very wild west. We doesn't see this for a long time, and you guys know as Italy shut down whole country, and right now United States pretty much insulated ourselves from all of European Union for next 30 days. And with that, humans survived Great Depression, humans survived recession of 2008, and I know things gonna get better, and we're gonna go over this situation now as well, and our worries going to be gone soon. When you get positive outlook, you may see some opportunities in this. And opportunities can be, maybe you're gonna be start investing if you never invest before, or maybe you just buy your first house and use advantage of lowest possible interest rate on the mortgage. With mortgages was a lot of wildness as well, and last week guys, like a week ago, we have 2.89%. Last week overnight the Fed decided to increase the interest rate and increase to almost 4%. And check this, today is Sunday when I'm recording this video, and Fed announced to cut rates almost to zero. And guys, let's jump to your favorite topics, to numbers. And first I will put on the screen for you guys months of inventory. It's a very important number because right now we have 0.8 months inventory, so less than 1 month inventory in Seattle's Eastside market, and it means if no homes came on the market, will be no homes for sale. Medium sale price in Seattle's Eastside jumped from $900,000 to $985,000 within 1 year. Now guys, let's jump into my favorite part. I will put on the screen for you guys what's happened in Seattle's Eastside market, and you can see with me together like cities where the market went up and cities where the market went down. And running up in this competition this time of the year, it's a West Bellevue. Market went up 21% with 40 homes sold, with average sale price for the home is almost $600,000. Redmond prices went up for 19.5% with 56 homes sold, $920,000 average price for the property. And in Redmond, prices went up in Kirkland Rose Hill location for 15% almost, with 56 homes sold, average sale price $1,448,000 per home. And few areas prices went down, actually only few areas this time. Prices went down the most in Bacon Hill, Georgetown, went down about 11.5% with 56 homes sold, average sale price $552,500. And following them, prices went down in South Seattle, 2.9%, 42 homes sold, average sale price $510,000. And following them, surprisingly, prices went down in Woodinville, Juanita, and Bothell area for 1.7%, with 151 homes sold, with $755,000 average or medium sale price for the home. That's very interesting, right? But let's talk about what's happening in general in market, and like we have a lot of changes right now. Went too many open houses and I want to see a lot of buyers in the market. But from sellers perspective, we have different picture. A lot of sellers actually pulling homes from the market because they're afraid to become sick, and they are afraid. They just simply decide not to sell right now, and they doesn't want to see buyers of this big traffic that we have right now through the properties. And with lower inventory and lower interest rate, it's going to be very interesting year and very interesting market. We probably see this market in 2016, probably 2017, but maybe it will be something different, maybe something we never see before. And please put your comments below. What do you think? I will answer for you guys, and it will be important for me to understand as well. What are your thoughts about today's market? I'm gonna touch a little bit high-end market in cities like Medina, Hunts Point, Clyde Hill, Bellevue. Some people, some sellers planning to sell stocks because stocks went down a lot. They're not planning to sell stocks anymore. They're not planning to do that, and they postpone moving because they're not certain about the economy, what's gonna happen in the next 6 months or maybe 1 year. And with high demand and less inventory, that will be interesting to see what's going to happen with this market as well. Still stay calm, still positive, because like when you guys look to the history, we went through recessions, we went through depressions, we went through the wars, and humanity, when they stay positive, they always rebound, humanity always rising, and we can live through, and we will survive, and we're gonna get to the normal life like we used to have before. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I record those videos every single month, and if you guys find value there, welcome to share with your friends, family, co-workers, and anyone who have any questions about real estate. You see my number on the screen. You can call me, text me. If you'd like to go to coffee with me, reach out to me. I would be glad to do that as well and answer any questions you have. And with that, guys, stay safe, until next time, bye now.